Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change color in Photoshop. First of all, of course, we need to select the thing we want to change the color. For example, this one. You press on layers, you uh, group the selected object. Then you need to add a layer mask. When you see that the selected layer is in white, then you know you made it correctly. Then you should add a solid color. Boom. Now it's changed to the thing you want. But be patient, I will show you more tricks. So you can change the color from normal. You should choose color mainly, and you can add to this group brightness. You can add whatever you want to the following. That's bad, but you know what? You can experiment and do creative stuff using the following: change in brightness, etc. So, I will show you another way. As you can see, this red is different from this red. So, if you want to don't lose the difference here, you should apply this thing. As you can see, the same color is applied, but we can fix that. For example, you can tell that this color is the same as this, so we will change it. You should choose color. You can see the difference now, and you can change the brightness of the following group by clicking on levels. You can adjust if you want it dark or not. So guys, if you want to check a professional tutorial on how to change color in Photoshop, check this one. I'll be changing the color of this couch. Check my channel, and as I do loads of tutorials, so feel free to check it out. See you next time. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.